This snack is easy to make and you don't need much ingredients to make it. Stay with me till the end. Let me show you how. So you're going to start by getting your baking bowl. Go ahead and break 2 pieces of egg inside. Make sure the egg you are using is cold. Add in your sugar, your salt, and then go ahead and whisk it together till the ingredients are well combined. So in the same bowl, you're going to add in your vegetable oil. This is 1/4 cup. Add ½ cup of cold water, emphasis on cold water please, and then you're going to mix this together till it is well incorporated. Okay, so while whisking this, I just want to say you're welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for viewing. Don't forget to like the video. So set it aside, and this is the flour we're going to be using. In this same flour, you're going to add in your baking powder, ½ tablespoon. Go ahead and mix it together till the 2 ingredients are well combined. Also go ahead and set it aside. Bring back your liquid mixture. So you're going to mix a bit, okay, because of the sugar but have settled in underneath, and then you're going to add in your dry ingredients. I'm going to start by adding in 2½ cup of this dry ingredient. Then I'll mix it together. So at this point it's becoming thick for this wicks I'm using, so I'm going to remove it and then go ahead and use my hand to complete the mixture. Before then, add in your remaining flour. Wash off your hands clean, okay, and then complete the mixture until the ingredients comes together thoroughly. Then you're going to place the dough on a flat surface or your working board, and then you're going to continue mixing it till your dough becomes soft and fluffy. Keep watching closely, okay? Just do the way I'm doing in the video. So at this point, I'm going to add a little vegetable oil, 1/4 teaspoon only. You can go ahead and add in your flour if you wish. It was a bit sticky, but I want this to be super soft. That was why I didn't add in flour. So go ahead and knead it for a few more minutes, like 1 minute, and then you're going to fold it into round shape, just the way I'm doing in the video, okay? And then look at this, so smooth, soft and fluffy too. So I'm going to place this back into the baking bowl. I'm going to cover it with foil paper, or if you have fling paper or clean kitchen towel, go ahead and cover it, and then I'm going to leave this for 5 minutes to rest. So this is after 5 minutes. Open up everything. Look at that, looks so smooth, isn't it? So you're going to remove it out of the bowl. Then we are going to cut the dough into 2 pieces. Keep the 1 piece aside, and then use your rolling pin, roll it out and cut into the pieces that you want. So roll it out nicely, just the way I'm doing in the video. And so if you're watching my video for the first time, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell so you will always be the first to know whenever I post new recipes. Thank you, God bless you as you do so. So you're going to also do this, okay? Then knead it out nicely. Be gentle, don't be too harsh on it, okay? Keep watching closely, okay? And then you're going to use knife and cut it into smaller pieces, just the way I'm cutting it inside the video. Looks good, isn't it? So go ahead and do the same process to the remaining piece, okay? Have you subscribed to my channel or you are yet to? Please subscribe. Don't forget to like the video and also share, okay, to your friends and families so they can also benefit. This snack, if you have kids at home, they will definitely love it, and you can take it with any drink of your choice. So when you're done, you're going to get your frying pan and add in vegetable oil. Leave it to heat up for a few minutes, like 5 minutes. Then you're going to add in your snack dough. So make sure you flip over after you've added everything so that all sides can fry. Then you're going to fry this dough till it becomes golden brown. See how good it looks so yummy. So when it's ready, all you have to do is to pack it out of the oil into your sieve or paper towel if you have, and then you're now going to go ahead and fry the remaining ones. Don't forget to flip over so that all sides can fry, and make sure you are frying it on a medium heat or low heat. So guys, make sure you try this snack. Believe me, you're going to love it. And if you have kids at home, like I said, they are definitely going to love it. So make sure you try it, okay? And trust me guys, this right here, look at it now, come on. The outside was chewy, the inside was soft, and it was so delicious. I'm sure you found this video helpful, right? So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you in my next video. Bye. Take care of yourselves.